Alright, so today we're going to be showing you how to duplicate eggs and get a lot of money. I had way more than this, I just bought a lot of stuff. Alright, so first, there needs to be 2 people in the lobby, and one of them does the glitch, and you grab them, you pick them up like that, but you have to download Spatial VPN. You have to download that, and then once it's downloaded, you like open it and click start, and once he's frozen, you click this, and then you wait until everything disappears, and then you click stop, and it will duplicate. Watch. Alright, and then you go to it, click stop, and in like a few seconds it will duplicate. Yep, it's duplicated. Alright, bye guys. Thanks for watching.